Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Let's going to start with our class today. Buenos días chicas, vamos a dar inicio a nuestra clase del día de hoy. Please, if you already get joined to the transmission, write your name, the word I'm here, and I'm going to take your assistance, right? Si ya se unieron entonces a la transmisión, por favor, escriban su nombre y la palabra I'm here o la palabra presente para que pueda tomarles la asistencia, ¿ok? Hi Franco, Scarlett, Anderson. Ok, voy entonces. Angie, Catalina. Who else? Hi, Scarlett. And Hazel. How are you, Scarlett? Hazel. Okay. Hi, Diego. How are you? And Eric too. Hola, Eric. How are you? I have Michael here. Hola, Diego. How are you? Sebas too. Sophia. Hi, Sophia. How are you? Hi, Daniela. And also I have to Alvaro. Ok, creo que ya no tengo nadie más. Ok, Luis Fernando. Who else? Tell me, please. Tell me who else. Okay, let's going to start because I think that I doesn't have any more or anyone more. Creo que ya no hay nadie más. Entonces, good morning everyone. For me, it's a big pleasure to have all of you here. It's good to see you again. And I hope that you have had a great weekend. Es de verdad para mí un gusto volverlos a ver por este medio y poder compartir con ustedes. Espero que hayan tenido un buen fin de semana. And let's going to start with our class today. This week we are going to have, esta semana vamos a tener este repaso, right? From the things that we were talking, de las actividades o de las cosas de las que estuvimos hablando en toda esta unidad. So, let's going to start. Today, I have some exercise here. Tengo unos ejercicios de la plataforma aquí. Bienvenida, Jimena. And Amado too. Bueno, vamos entonces a trabajar ahora sí, como les decía. Vamos a estar trabajando el día de hoy. We are going to listen, select the correct answer, and then we are going to make some match. Thank you, Sofia. I already take your assistance too. And let's go into advance. Vamos entonces a ir avanzando, right? So, listen, please, pay attention, and then you are going to tell me the answer. We have number one, no they don't, no ellos no. And number two, yes they do. Y número dos, sí ellos sí. Hi Juan David, how are you? Let's go into advance. Vamos entonces, vamos a ir avanzando. Listen and pay attention.
Do they play basketball on Friday? A. No, they don't. B. Yes, they do.
Okay, it's already finished. Hi, Andre, and hi, Benja. Ok, vamos entonces. It said Michael 2, Scarlett 2, and, sorry, Seba said 2, perdón, Miss, pero no me llegó la notificación, dice. No se preocupe, bienvenido Benji. And who else? Benji, I'm here, dice, muy bien, don't worry. Number 2, number 2, number 2. Okay, you already are sending your number 2. Muy bien, Diego. Vamos a ver, tengo a Michael, Álvaro, Scarlett, Anderson. Sending number 2, Sebas también. Okay, that's correct. Let's go into check. Yes, they do. That's correct. Excellent. Number 2. Do they play basketball on Friday? ¿Jugaron ellos basketball o juegan ellos basketball los días viernes? Yes, they do. Hi, Josías. How are you? Bienvenido. Vamos entonces. Let's go with the next one. Avanzamos a la siguiente. Number 2 is the next one. Vamos ahora, nos corresponde el número 2. How it was the weather, I imagine. Let's go into listen and we have it was snowy, it is snowy. Pay special attention to the question, right? Atención especial a la pregunta. Let's go into start.
How was the weather yesterday? A. It was snowy. B. It is snowy.
Okay, how was the weather yesterday? It was snowy, or B, it is snowy. Okay, you have to tell me. Hola Fernanda, bienvenida. Y dice 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, you have to try to pay, you have to try to be agree. 1 o 2. Okay, it said 1. 1, 2, 2. Okay, you have to decide 1 or 2. 2 dice, muy bien. 11, we doesn't have 11. 1, 1, 2. Miss es la 2, dice 2. Okay, let's go into try number 2. 1, 2, 2 es 2, dice, es 1. I don't know. Let's go into listen it again. Vamos entonces. Ya marqué aquí la 2, pero vamos a escuchar de nuevo para que ustedes pues estén y salgan de la duda. Let's go into listen again, ¿ok? Vamos entonces. It doesn't want to function. Sorry.
How was the weather yesterday? A. It was snowy. B. It is snowy.
How was the weather yesterday? A. It was snowy, or B. It is snowy. 2 dice 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, I already have here mark number 2. You say number 1, number 1, number 1. B. 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. B. 2, 2, 2. V. V, 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 V. Okay, let's go into select letter B, but the correct answer is, that's right. That's right. Okay, the correct answer was number 1. You already have reason. Tenían razón los que eligieron la número 1. It said, how was the weather yesterday? ¿Cómo estuvo el clima ayer? Right? El clima ayer. Remember that when we talk about today, cuando estamos hablando del día de hoy, debemos decir is, right? Bienvenido, Pablo. But when we're talking about ayer, you have to say was, right? So, I know that I can hear you now, but try to repeat with me. Yesterday was, today is. Yesterday was, today is. Dice, era el número 1 porque dice ayer, no de hoy. Correcto. When you listen yesterday, cuando escuchen ayer o cuando escuchen yesterday, you have to remember that it has to be was, right? Ustedes tienen que recordar que es was, ¿correcto? Cuando escuchen o cuando vean today o cuando escuchen today, estamos hablando de hoy, ¿correcto? Entonces, you have to say is. So, it's okay, you are not going to miss points. Don't get scared. Está bien, estamos aquí repasando, no se preocupen, no vamos a perder puntos, ni se les va a bajar puntos por esto, ¿verdad? Estamos making a review, ¿ok? Vamos entonces. Try to pay attention, please. Remember the chat is just for answer the questions and write your doubts, ¿ok? Recuerden, por favor, que el chat es para escribir sus preguntas y sus dudas, right? Y responder a las preguntas que se les está haciendo acá, ¿ok? Entonces, let's go into events. Vamos entonces, number 3. Number 3. Look the picture, listen, and then tell me your question, okay? Let's go into listen.
Where were you yesterday? A. I was at the amusement park. B. I was at the city hall.
Okay, where were you yesterday? A. I was at the amusement park, or B. I was at the city hall. Amusement park or city hall? Number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Number 1, 1. A. Muy bien, excellent. It was saying A. A, number 1. Excellent. Aquí creo que sí todos estamos de acuerdo, right? It sounds like I was making something. I don't know. I was at the amusement park. Remember, was is in the past. Yesterday was. Today is, right? Let's go into check. Great. That's correct. Perfect. Let's go into advance. Vamos entonces with the next one. I was at the amusement park. La siguiente, it's 4, 5, and 6, right? 4, what does she do? 5, what do nurses do? 6, do you have soccer practice on Friday? What does she do? What do nurses do? Do you have soccer practice on Friday? Y en la parte de abajo tenemos 1, 2 y 3. Ustedes tienen que hacer sus match. They help sick people. Yes, I do. And she is a police officer. Y ella es una oficial de policía. Hi, Abby. How are you? Welcome to the class. One with 3, it said, okay. Voy a ir entonces de una vez. 1 y 3 dice, 1 and 3, okay. 1 and 3, okay. 1 and 3, 1 and 5. We doesn't have 5. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 de arriba y 3 de abajo, dice excellent. 1 con 3, 2 con 1 y 3 con 2. 1 and 3. We already have made 1 and 3. O sea, 1 de arriba y 3 de abajo. Muy bien. 3 with 3, dice, no tenemos, it can be 3 with 3. 2 and 1. Okay, we have here 2 and 1. No puede ser 3 con 3 porque ya utilizamos el 3 and we can make change. And 1 with 3, we already have it. 1 with 3, 3, okay. 5 with 1, no tenemos 5. 5 with 1, yes, 5, 1. Ajá, we already have it. And 2 de arriba y 1 de abajo, dice, ya hicimos esa. Ok. Y ya 3 con el 2, dice, ok. 3 with 2, o sea, 6 and 2, right? Are you sure? Do you want to make some change? ¿Están seguros? ¿Algo que quieran cambiar? Because I have this retry button here. Sí tenemos el botón de retry. Bienvenido, Fabián. Welcome. So, do you want to change something? Seguro, Miss, dice, muy bien, excellent. 3 with 2, we already have 3 with 2. Ya tenemos 3 con 2. O 6 con 2, ¿verdad? La 6 de arriba con la 2 de abajo. Sure, excellent. Thank you so much, Sofía. Thank you for saying sure. Sure, okay, let's go into advance. Vamos entonces. If you don't have more, let's go into check. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go into check. Excellent, congratulations. Todas están bien. Sure dice, muy bien. Thank you. Sure, miss. Okay, let's go into advance. Veamos entonces, correcto, estaban muy bien. Avanzamos. 7, 8 and 9. Igual. 1, 2 y 3 de arriba o 7, 8 y 9 arriba y 1, 2 y 3 abajo. Right? Let's go into read. What do they do on Monday? ¿Qué hacen los lunes? Where were you yesterday? ¿Dónde estuviste ayer? And it said, how was the weather yesterday? ¿Cómo estuvo el clima ayer? I was at the fire station. It was foggy. They built a house. Ellos construyen una casa. I was at the fire station. It was foggy, or they built the house. Perfect. Okay, 1 with 3 or 7 with 3. Okay, 1 off on 3. 1 on 3. Okay, 1 with 3. Already have it. 7 y 8 dice. Okay. 7 y 8. 1 and 3, 2 and 1, 3 and 2. 1, 3, 2, 1. 2 con 1 and 3 with 2. 2 and 1. Okay, it said 2 and 1. Where were you yesterday? I was at the fire station. 2 with 1, already have it. And obviously it has to be 9 with 3. 9 with 2 or 3 with 2, right? Okay. Are you sure? Do you want to do some changes or something like that? ¿Están seguros? ¿Algún cambio que quieran realizar? Oh, sorry. Sure, miss. Okay, it's it. No cambios? Sure, okay. Are you sure? Let's go into check and that's correct. Congratulations. Thank you, that's correct. So let's go into advance. Muy bien, no habían cambios que hacer y estaba correcto. Muy bien. Congratulations. Let's go into advance with the next one. Vamos con la siguiente. Here do you have to scramble the words to create a sentence. Aquí tienen que ordenar las palabras o moverlas, scramble the words to create a sentence, para hacer la oración. ¿Ok? What does he do? ¿Qué hace él? ¿O a qué se dedica él? We have comma, pilot, firefighter, A is, that, and he. Coma, piloto, bombero, un, es, punto, él. He, dice Pablo. Muy bien, let's go to start. Vamos de uno en uno. He, muy bien. He is a firefighter. Dice muy bien, he is a firefighter. Ok, he, ya tenemos he. Según las chicas, la siguiente palabra de la oración es is. Muy bien, entonces he is. Ok, ahora a. Muy bien, let's go into advance. He is a firefighter. That's correct. He is a firefighter. And what's missing here? ¿Qué falta ahí? ¿Qué falta? Tenemos coma, pilot, then period. He is a firefighter. He, period. Y un period dice he is a punto, punto, firefighter, punto, 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 firefighter, punto. Okay, the one that is missing, that's the period. I want to remember all of you that always our sentences will start with a capital letter and it will end with a dot, right? Quiero recordarles a todos que siempre nuestras oraciones van a iniciar con una letra mayúscula y van a terminar con un punto, ¿correcto? So, he is a firefighter. Check, dice. Muy bien, let's going to give a check. And that's correct. Perfect. He is a fighter and a dog. Él es un bombero, ¿ok? Remember when you have the question, what does he do? Cuando tengan o cuando encuentren la pregunta, what does he do? You have to give the answer, he is or she is, right? Or for example, what do they do? ¿Qué hacen ellos? ¿A qué se dedican? You have to say they are or they will be or they was or they were, whatever you want to say according to the topic or the tense that they are talking to you. Let's go in with the next one. Vamos con la siguiente. Aquí ya tenemos una parte de la pregunta. Está perdida la pregunta and it said they make art, right? So, do question mark, punto o period, lo siento, artist does what? I'm going to wait for your answers. What va first, dice. Muy bien, let's go into advance. What? That's correct. What do? So, what is the next one? What they do. Correcto, pero no tenemos they en nuestras palabras to scramble. So, what? Ya colocamos what. Excellent. Perfect. What? Remember how to write what. What? W-H-A-T. What? What do they? What do artists does? Dice, vamos a ver. Miss, ponga what. Ya coloqué what. What is already there. Artists do. Okay, vamos pues. Artists. What do artists? So, do or does. Do or does. Tell me. No, dice artist does. Does do. Bueno, ustedes deciden because you are the ones. Those, I don't know. You have to say me. Do or does? Does. I think that is do. Dice do, does, do, do. Okay, do. Do, dice Benjamin también. Okay, let's go into. You are saying do. What do artists do? And now, question mark, dot, or does? Question mark, dot, punto, or does. Dice does is only for he, she, it. Perfect, that's correct. Does lo vamos a utilizar solo para he, she, it. ¿Cómo vamos a saber? En la parte de abajo tenemos they, right? So, entonces no podemos utilizar does. Muy bien, Scarlett, congratulations. Question mark, dice, muy bien, está perdido el question mark. It's missing question mark. Let's go into check. Vamos entonces. That's correct. Remember that when we make a question, cuando hacemos una pregunta, debemos utilizar el signo de interrogación al final, right? What do artists do? ¿Qué hacen los artistas? They make art. Ellos hacen arte. Y un punto, dice, no. Punto solo cuando son oraciones afirmativas o negativas. Cuando son preguntas, nosotros debemos añadir un signo de interrogación, right? Interrogación. Let's go with the next one. Number 12, número 12. Aquí ya tenemos la pregunta y nos hace falta la respuesta. What classes does she have on Friday? ¿Qué clases tiene ella los viernes? Science, math, question mark, music, she, period, has, and. I'm waiting for your answer. She has, correcto. Vamos entonces, she has. Muy bien. What else? ¿Qué más? Math, ajá, muy bien. Math and music, dice muy bien, math and music. She has math and music, okay? This is music or science. Math and music. So, now, question mark or period. Question mark o punto y aparte o punto y seguido. Music, dice, she has math and music and the period. Muy bien. Music and science. Science, no? It doesn't have science, I think so. Y punto, dice, muy bien. Period. Remember, you have to write period. Let's going to check. Are you ready? That's correct. She has math and music. Ella tiene mate y música, o matemática y música, right? Let's go into advance. The next one said, yes, they do. Sí, ellos lo hacen. Tenemos que hacer la pregunta. Sunday do, on they eat, question, exclamation mark, question mark, out, snack. Domingo, auxiliar, on, en, perdón, they, ellos, eat, comer, signo de exclamación, signo de interrogación, salir y refacción, snack. Do, muy bien, vamos entonces, do. Do, already have the do. Ya already have the do. Tell me, I already have right to do. What else? ¿Qué más? Do they eat out on Sunday? Dice, miren, aquí está la oración completa. Do they eat out on Sunday, right? Remember, please, that the days of the week you have to write it with capital letters, right? No se les olvide tampoco que los días de la semana debemos escribirlos con mayúscula de igual forma, ¿ok? Entonces, tenemos aquí ya. Do they eat out on Sunday? Do they eat out on Sunday? ¿Salen ellos a comer los domingos? Do they eat out on Sunday? ¿Salen a comer los domingos? And the question says, yes, they do. Sí, ellos lo hacen, o sí, ellos salen, podríamos decir. Remember that yes, they do es como a short question answer. Es como una answer de respuesta corta. Ya dele check, dice, muy bien. Vamos entonces, check. And me dice el signo de interrogación. I already added. Vamos entonces, check. That's correct. Excellent. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. Let's go into advance. Vamos entonces, vamos avanzando de igual forma. Where was he yesterday? ¿Dónde estuvo él ayer? Where he was yesterday. ¿Dónde estuvo él ayer? Y tenemos question mark was at the museum, airport. Tell me, where was he yesterday? ¿Dónde estuvo él ayer? ¿Dónde estuvo él ayer? Can you tell me? I'm waiting for your answers. He dice, muy bien, empezamos entonces con he. Ya tenemos he, correcto. What is the next one? He, muy bien, correcto. Remember, we are talking about yesterday, right? Estamos hablando del día de ayer. He was, dice, at the airport. Okay, that's correct. Oh, let's go into check. He was at the airport. Museum or airport? Airport, dice, muy bien. He was at the airport. Punto o signo de interrogación. Punto o signo de interrogación. Punto, that's correct. So you have to say he was at the airport and dot. Don't forget, please, that always you have to use the capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and dot at the end of the sentence, right? No se les olvide, por favor, que deben siempre utilizar mayúscula al inicio de la oración y punto al finalizarla. Let's go into check. He was at the airport yesterday. That's correct. Él estuvo en el aeropuerto ayer. Let's go with the number 15. Vamos entonces, avanzamos con la número 15. Entonces, I want to advance. Number 15. How was the weather yesterday? How was the weather yesterday? ¿Cómo estuvo el clima ayer? How was the weather yesterday? Windy, foggy, that was, and comma, right? So, how was the weather yesterday? ¿Cómo estuvo el clima el día de ayer? Windy, foggy, that was. Vamos entonces, estoy esperando por sus answers. I don't know if the transmission it's going slow. No sé si la transmisión se está yendo despacio, pero pues estoy esperando por sus respuestas. Right? I'm still waiting. Sigo esperando. I don't know. I'm waiting that you... It was windy and dark. Dice, muy bien. It was windy, right? And dark. Dice, muy bien. It was windy and that me solo quedan 2 minutos. Yes, I know. 10:03. 10:04. Y ya voy a terminar, I promise. Okay. It was windy. Dot. Estuvo venturoso, right? Windy. It was windy. Excellent. Perfect. I'm going to give check. And that's correct. It was windy. Congratulations. And that will be everything for today. Creo que hasta aquí llegamos. Entonces, thank you so much to all of you for coming to today's class. De verdad, gracias por asistir a la clase del día de hoy. God bless you. Have a nice day. I hope to see you in the next class that will be on Wednesday, right? Gracias de verdad por asistir a la clase. Los veo el próximo día, que será el día miércoles. God bless you and bye, guys.